friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about colorful GeForce RTX 4090 or 4080 iGame Vulcan White graphics card. So friend, colorful reveals the white edition of iGame Vulcan graphics card, and friend, this graphics card featuring a white color scheme. What partners have clearly taken a note from sales, while GPUs are gaining popularity among PC enthusiasts, which is why many of the existing models are getting a facelift. And friend, Colorful is set to announce its RTX 40 Vulcan GPU with a new color scheme this week, and hence this is the final product that was previously seen as a prototype of iGame Lab Edition. And friend, these cards are equipped with a triple fan design, 3.5 slot cooler, full cover backplate, and single 16-pin power connectors. And friend, nothing extraordinary here for a custom RTX 40 GPU, but what is special about the Vulcan series is detachable color screen which can display GPU information as well as custom animations. And friend, this screen can be attached to the card with magnetic pogo pins or placed on a desk on a USB power stand. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.